Can you use 3D printer filament in a 3D pen? Let's find out. Pen filament. Printer filament. Let's heat up the pen. Insert the filament. So loud. Let's go. Real speed. Smells really burnt. Time lapse. So satisfying. Let's change color. Six X speed. Glows in the dark. Overall, it is better to buy pen filament if you don't have a 3D printer. You can use 3D printer filament, which is cheaper, and if you want lots of it.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, pretty, pretty.